Koma people are found in Ganya Chiefdom in the present Jada local government area of Adamawa state. It is a district of mountainous settlement bordering Cameroon Republic, and all the inhabitants live in caves naked. The Koma people have their own traditional way of preservation of crop on top of trees. Each clan is governed by the clan leader or clan head, but once in a while they hold meeting with the agent of the government, who is district head. At such meeting, they speak Fulfulde, and those who do not understand Fulfulde contribute through an interpreter. Some international NGOs, such as Middle Africa, are working closely with the Koma communities and the Kingdom of Wange so that the region preserves its natural beauty and its cultural diversity.